Yo, what is up, guys? My name is Jackson. This is the radio podcast room, I guess you could say. I am a student at the HCTC Career Center. This is the radio podcast room. Here we have a show called Game Day Every Day. I am a co-host of that show, so if you want to check it out, go on YouTube, look up Game Day Every Day, look that up. This is like our prediction board of what plans, ideas, or whatever. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 mics. 3 mics if we have any guests on the show. We also have extra mics if there's more than 3 people. These headphones, we use these. This over here is our mixing board. So with audio for the mics, sound levels, sound checks, whatever like that. This is the iMac volume, so that's for the computer. The computer we use, to look up stats or anything, or just look up ideas or anything like that. So this is the Heck Tech Radio Podcast Room. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you check us out. And I'll see you later.